Okay, y'all, so I finished my brows and I used the NiqueNaturalTM brow pencil, and this is in the color dark coffee. Oh, and just to think, we're doing a look using the Makeup Revolution, I think it's coffee palette. Yes, Makeup Revolution. I love Revolution coffee palette. So next, I like to use the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 12. You can use whatever concealer you want for this step. I'm using my art brush. You can get these brushes from Ross or Michael's, but I get them from Ross because I get them all in like a pack. That way I can have multiple brushes and it all works fine. I just love using art brushes for my makeup. Look how that looks. And being that it's so much product, I normally just grab it right around here. I'm just taking it and just underlining my brow and mapping this out. Okay, this part I did all backwards because I normally start from the tail end up, but that worked too. So then you want to just take it and bring it down, drag it away from your brow. The reason I use so much because I'm muting out this lid. So muting just means just like noise, you silencing everything. You're muting out your natural color so that way your eyeshadow color can pop, and the lighter base you use, the more vibrant your pigments will show up. Basically, we're killing two birds with one stone. And my bad, y'all, I'm sorry I don't sound exciting. It's a rainy day. Was really like alley out there showing out, so we inside and it kind of made me kind of drag or whatever, so y'all just bear with me, but hopefully y'all do enjoy this talk through video. So after we muted out that, we're gonna grab a fluffy brush and we're gonna blend everything. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush. This is a buffing brush. No, this is a deluxe crease brush. It's been a minute since I've used this brush, but it's a good brush. I'm just gonna take that and you can see I'm just tapping that out softly. Another thing I want to say, don't be afraid to use a generous amount of concealer. It may be different when you're using a primer, but when you're using concealer, don't be afraid to use a little bit more so you can see the color. Okay, if y'all hear background noise, it's because I have my children virtual homeschool, but they're out for the next 2 days due to the weather. Hazelnut concealer from Eben. You know, I've been saying Eben this whole time, and come to find out I was pronouncing it wrong. Been saying Eben. They had made a post on Facebook, I think it was a poll on how you think it's pronounced, and then they actually said it was pronounced Eben. Yeah, that was a fun fact because I've been saying Eben for years. So basically you can see how I just capped off my brows. And this color is close to my skin tone. It looks like a foundation color. And I like to go in between my brows and bring that down. And a little bit over the beginning of these brows. If I take out too much, I'll grab my spoolie and kind of bring it so I can feather it out a bit. Using that same deluxe brush. And I'll buff the foundation like so. I mean the concealer. Buff, buff, buff. And you could have, you know, prep your face and use your primer and stuff. But I really wait to the very end to do that. Sometimes I do different techniques when I'm doing my makeup. I feel like it's just more fun to try different ways. And, you know, you learn new things when you try different techniques. So we didn't press that out. Now it's time to use our eyeshadow. Y'all make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. So that way we can get some engagement under Instagram posts, so that way we can get be on PR, and I can tell y'all like what products and how to do it, and you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be fun. Okay, so the first color I see, I'm gonna go into Arabica. I hope I said that. Arabica. What? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. I see this is trying to crease again, but that's okay. I'm just going to press it out, and then I'm immediately add that shadow. Add it to my crease. As you can see, I'm just taking that color and picking it up, and I'm just tapping that color in. I'm doing a patting motion versus a like circular motion, back and forth into my shape. Y'all better be glad I love y'all. So the next color I'm going to go into is Macchiato, and I can already tell this look is going to be like a beginner friendly, soft, natural look. The ones y'all be liking. So I'm going to grab my Morphe 506 brush, just a smaller, fluffier brush. It's smaller than the first brush. And I'm going to grab that Macchiato, and I'm going to put that in the corner, my outer V here. And notice I am blending this. And just keep packing that color on and blending that, and just rounding. I'm just rounding off that shape, as you can see. As y'all can see, I kind of stopped that color right here. I noticed I need to go back to my first color, that Arabica or Arabic. We're going to call it Arabic because, honey, that's probably what it is. But Arabic is without that. So I don't know. The A is throwing me off. Anyway. Woo, Jesus. So we're going to go into that first one. And then I'm just going to go above here just a little bit. I wiped off my brush. And going above that brown just to bring this up, because that kind of looks crazy. I mean, where the brown stopped and then it looks all jagged. So we kind of rounded that off. You get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying, y'all. Oh, okay, that looks real pretty. So going again, same to this side. So I just want to go here and just slope down. Like I said, I wiped off this brush so I can just go back and focus on this area. That looks good. Now you can go back to that Macchiato and just really focus in this outer corner here, just keeping it concentrated in that outer corner. Don't take it no further. No further, honey. Same over here. That outer corner, don't take it any further. Keep it all in that space. Don't blend up and out. Just keep it, like, keep patting it and keep it on that space. Okay? So next thing, we're going to add a shimmery color. I'm going to grab Instant, and I'm going to use my same fluffy brush. Normally I use a flat brush, but we're going to use a fluffy brush because this is for my beginner. And I just want to see how this does. And I didn't even use like a concealer to go on top. I'm just trying to see something right quick. If not, let me see about taking my finger. Okay, the finger definitely helps. In most cases, if it won't clean with the brush, use your finger. Okay, that finger came in clutch, honey. Alright, that looks real pretty. Alright, and I'm going to go back to that Macchiato and just blend my edge here. You can take it all the way over your lid. It don't matter. Taking the Instant again just so I can have a nice transition. Bringing this up some. Oh yeah, that looks real pretty. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye, and I'll come right back. Okay, that's looking good. Now I know it looked like a speckly mess. It's okay. I feel like when you add the liner, stuff gonna look like, okay, it was meant, because it was. Now I'm gonna add my liner. First, I'm gonna take a wipe. I got these wipes from Target. Oh my goodness, we forgot a tear duct color, but I guess we'll wait till the end, because sometimes I wait to the very end to do my tear duct because I want it to match my highlight in most cases. So I'm finished with my eyes. I'm going to do the rest of my face and everything else off camera, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I use their roast for my highlight, and I also use Arabica.
Arabica. Arabica. Arabica.
For my blush. I use that for my blush. And I use ice for my tear duct. And I put a little bit of that, you know, that roast on my lips as well, like right about here, as you can see. Yes, honey. So, oh, this looks gorgeous, honey. Y'all let me know what y'all think of this look. I just love it so much. Y'all, oh my goodness, y'all got me into these natural beats. I don't know what's going on. So, yeah, that sums it for this video. If you guys would like to see more, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, y'all, please comment down below what other looks you would like to see next. What do you struggle with? What would you like me to help you with? And I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye, Nique fam. Let me stop doing that, because you know what, I don't do that no more. I'm like, bye y'all. That's me.